Hey guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get regular update for my new videos.
Hi guys, this is Neetu and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to make a nail art design which is dedicated to Experty. Experty is an upcoming crypto project where calls are powered by cryptocurrencies. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start with the video.
Start with the base coat. I'm using this by Essence. After applying the base coat, you are going to need a sponge and two nail polish shades. Apply both them next to each other, a little bit overlapping. Now you have to dab the sponge on your finger. Again I have applied the polish. I'm going to dab again till I get a perfect opacity. Yeah, I think this is okay. Leftover can be removed with a brush and some acetone. For my next finger, I'm going to use this stamping plate and this particular design. I only want to stamp single person on my index finger. Place it on your finger. I will also want some hearts, so I'm going to use this stamping plate. Remove the extra, pick up the design and place it accordingly. As I'm thinking of going with the matte look, I'm applying this Revlon matte coat. Now for the middle finger, I'm going to write EXY for Experty with a brush and some white nail polish. Yeah, done. So for the ring finger, I'm going to stamp the other person. And again some hearts. For my little finger, I'm going to draw a phone on it. So I'm almost done with my phone. Now for thumb, I'm going to draw the Experty logo. So now I am going to fill in the colors as per the logo. Once I'm done, I'm going to apply the matte top coat on every nail. I've drawn a single person on my index finger, then I've written EXY on the middle finger, and on my ring finger I have drawn a second person. So this shows that EXY is the medium of transaction for connecting two people. So on my little finger I've drawn a phone symbol that illustrates that calls are powered with cryptocurrencies like Experty. So if you like my nail art and want to know more about Experty, then visit their website. The link is in description.